Hello kids, welcome again to our lesson. This time we will learn the unvoiced TH. And the sound is vocabulary number 1. This is number 3. Again, number 3. Next, we have feet. Feet. Next one. This one is think. That's think. Number 4. Let's go shower to our bath. Bath. And this one is, we'll celebrate a birthday. Birthday. For your structure, it will say, how old are you? As I am 3 years old. Again, how old are you? I am 3 years old. Number 1, how old are you? I am 3 years old. How old are you? I am 4 years old. How old are you? I am 5 years old. And how old are you? I am 6 years old. And that is the end of your lesson today. Goodbye kids, and see you next time.